Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping in to see what I am up to. I have my Boxycharm base box for April 2021. Just arrived today, so I figured I was doing some filming earlier, a little bit after dinner, and I would get this one done. And when you open up your box, oops, in your flap, this is what you see. And then, oh, this is my premium. I thought this is my base box. Oh, this is my premium for April. So sorry. I thought that, you know what, I should have realized that my base box would be smaller. Oh, okay, so this is my premium box. The theme is Boxycharm Sweet Treats. And on the card, you know, you do get a descriptive and a price, and then this number. I don't know if that tells you anything box-wise like that. Let me know once you see this if you get Boxycharm Premium. Are we box twins? Did you get some of the items, all of the items? Did you get totally different items? I love to hear what people get in their boxes. So the premium box is $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 products, and I do believe it's usually 6. Value of at least $175, and we get to customize one item. Do I remember what I customized? No. So before we get any further, let me do a quick pause, and I will grab my phone so I can add the total of the box up immediately. Okay. I have my phone, so now I can tell you what I chose, because I try to keep a snapshot so that I know, and then my phone's here, I can add up the prices and tell you right away. Excuse me, I feel like I'm losing my voice. Probably allergy season. So the first item that I have in my box, oh, maybe I should give you a little sneak peek. I'm sorry, I generally do that. So this is a little sneak peek. And the first item that I'm going to pull out is from Wander Beauty. And this is the item that I chose because I think the other item was a surprise me item, and then the iconic London palette, which I already have that. I actually have 2 of them. So the Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate is worth $68. Formulated with 1% retinol to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and texture. It has squalene and peptides to hydrate the skin, improve elasticity, while dragon's blood helps soothe skin from environmental stressors faced during the day. I don't like the whole dragon's blood thing. I have to read into that. Just the name of it, it doesn't sound good, but it probably is not what you think it is. Probably from a flower or something like that. I mean, no, it's not from a dragon. Dragons are, but dragon's blood, it just sounds like something not good, but it, like I said, it's probably a flower extract or something. I will look that up. Why can't I get into this? Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. So that's what that looks like right there. And this is a pump, and you just, you know, press. I'm not going to waste any of it. I like that it has 1% retinoid in it. Oh, yeah, I couldn't read that if I tried. The way they print on these bottles. This is 40 ml, 1.35 ounces. That's not a bad size. I'm excited to try that. And that, yeah, that is definitely what I chose. I'm trying to think if this is where I chose my base also, what I chose. I'm confused. Oops, let me see what this is here. Oh, for premium, you choose 2 items. Why am I thinking you would choose 1 item? I did this. I think I did this before. You get to choose 2 items on your premium, 1 on your base. Okay, that makes a little bit more sense. The other item that I chose is in this box, and we all know what comes in these little boxes. This should be Natasha Denona. Yes, it is. Excited. This is the Coral Eyeshadow Palette. I love her other one that I got. I don't remember what it was, but look at this. I love these. These are great, and I don't really. Ooh. So these are great to pack because you have everything you need. You have all the right tones. You have a little glitter and shimmer and your mattes and everything you need to do your eye. I love the packaging. Like, I know her big palettes are nice, but they're expensive. But these are perfect. I don't know the value of these, but I'm going to tell you in 1 second. So they were the 2 items that I chose. Oreo. No. Go lay down. Go. She's going to get into bags right behind you. Natasha Denona Coral Eyeshadow Coral Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know what I'm thinking. Oh, $48 and 5 pan eyeshadow. Definitely is pigmented. I will give it that. Buttery soft shade. So I'm excited for that. I love Wander Beauty, but you get tired of getting the mascara all the time. So it's nice to see a different kind of product from them. And I love Natasha Denona. I'm excited for some other stuff in here. And I'm going to save some of them till the end. The next product in my box is right here. And this is by Roen Beauty. This is Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm for $26. And the shade is Charlie. And you can hear Patches whimpering in the background. She went to the groomers yesterday. She got all beautiful. This is what this looks like. I think the packaging is phenomenal. And let's open this up. This is what the doe foot looks like right here. And let's give this a little swatch test. That's got some color to it. That's not, I mean, it's not super pigmented, but there it is right there. That's nice. I could have worn that today. I'm not unhappy with that. So let's read this. Roen. $26. That's a lot of money. Non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. It's a liquid lip balm. Soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect. It provides the high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. Oh, that's nice. It does have shine. We'll see if it is tacky or not. Don't want to do that one. I want to do this one. So then we have from Dose of Colors. This is an eyeliner, and this is $15. And, oh, this says unbox. I love that. Perfect for me, since that's part of my channel name. This is an interesting shape. So this is what this looks like. Does it just twist up? I have no idea. Does this come off? Oh, yep, that comes off. This little pointed tip comes off, and there's the liner. So let's test this out. I've been looking for all different kinds of colored liners. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's nice and creamy. I like that. Let me cap this again. So you can see the liner goes well with the lip gloss. Nice. Not bad at that either. At all. $15. And I think that's fairly priced for a liner. Then the 2 things that I'm super excited about. We have a product here from Marc Jacobs. And this is an eyeshadow. Let me see which one. This is Sequins Glam Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. And this is 78 Shimmy Dip Oreo. She's so bad. And so cute at the same time. The way she will turn around and look back at me. So let's see what this is all about. Oh, pretty. Love the packaging. I don't know if I would wear that. So I will not be testing that. That's a little much for me. But you never know. So let's leave that. And that one is $26. And then the last thing in my box, oops, is also from Marc Jacobs. And this is the Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer, $39. And this is 31 Blurfection. Let's get this open. Is that going to open? Oh, yep. Oh, interesting packaging. Very similar to what the packaging generally is. This is just a pump. It's just a squeeze tube. You can smell coconut. Okay. So I'm happy to have that too. I love a good primer. Let's put that back in. Yeah, that way, yeah, that way. So that was my premium box. That's it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And then let me add this up real fast. I don't know why I pulled a stupid move there and thought that this was my base. I should have known by the size. Why? You know, what was I thinking? I don't, if it's base and premium or even luxe and like premium, I never get my premium first. Or no, I get my premium first. I never get my base first. I'm having a tough day today, as you can tell. Let's get this added up. It's even taking me forever to do this, which it shouldn't. Simple tasks. My box totals $222 for, oh, did you guys just see that? $222 for a $35 price point. Definitely worth it. I'm not going to complain at all. I think the theme is really adorable. So if you don't get, you know, the premium and you get the base, maybe you don't have to you can get rid of the base and just get the premium, or add and get both. I get all 3 of their boxes. So when it's a luxe month, you don't get the base. So I get the premium and the luxe, but the other 2 months I get the base and the premium box. And I love their products. I'm excited for Natasha Denona. I'm excited for the 2 Marc Jacobs products. Eyeliner, I'm not mad at. You know, a nice lip is nice. Let me see. You know, that's really not sticky. I'm surprised. I mean, I'm just going to blur it out on my hand. It is not sticky. Okay, like that. And I'm excited to try this. I have not tried, you know, that kind of stuff. It's usually been their mascara or other items, more makeup related, not, you know, skincare related. So I'm happy with everything in my box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you're all doing well. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.